Wait a second and I'll show you how to make delicious Russian steaks so you don't.
Juicy ones. You know Russian steaks? It's a simple and fun way to eat meat that's delicious, and there are different versions too. So don't miss any details, because you're going to make this recipe a bunch of times.
We start with a slice of bread. As you can see, I've cut it, so it's very easy to take out small pieces. I put them in a bowl and moisten them with a good splash of milk so they get soft. I leave it there for a few minutes, and now I'll show you something new. I have a garlic grater here. Have you seen one before? You can turn 2 garlic cloves into a paste with this instead of crushing them. Let me know if you recognize this device and know its name, because I don't. On the other hand, a large bowl, half a kilo of ground meat, which is about 1 package, and a beaten egg. We add it because we're going to work some magic with the meat here, and we add that garlic that we've turned into a paste. I'm telling you, this little gadget is a joy to use. And we add salt to taste. We're also going to add freshly ground black pepper and something else to give it extra aroma and flavor. On one hand, I'm going to add finely chopped parsley, and on the other, a bit of rosemary. Once we have everything in the same bowl, all that's left is to mix it very well together with the bread soaked in milk. This way, we're going to get a kind of dense meat mixture. So keep mixing it a lot until you have a ball that's easy to handle, like the one you see here. Perfect for making Russian steaks good.
The classic thing is to use ground beef, but here we don't force anyone. If you prefer pork, use pork. If you like it mixed, use mixed. Whatever you want, we're here to enjoy.
To make them, the easiest way is to take a ball of dough. With freshly washed hands, you squeeze it a little and then roll it between your palms so it turns into a little ball. You put that into a container with flour and move it around. I like to do it first with a fork, gently, so I don't handle the flour too much with the moisture from the meat on my hands, so they don't get worse. Once we have the ball coated in white, we take it to a small plate or a tray where we can flatten it a bit to give it the typical shape of a Russian steak, which is simply flattened, a large, thin disc. Then with very hot oil in a pan over medium-high heat, we place our meat inside when it's golden brown. On one side, we flip it over. It takes less than a minute, at least on each side, and up to 1.5 minutes. The longer you cook it, the smaller and thicker it will get, and the less you cook it, the flatter it will be. That depends on your personal taste, since we're here to enjoy ourselves.
Look at that. It looks amazing, it's easy, simple, and best of all, everyone loves it. The only thing left is to think about what we're going to serve it with. Fries with mashed potatoes, with mashed pumpkin, with a salad, with veggies, 1,000 options. So that's why I'm asking for your help. Tell me in the comments below what we should serve it with, and that way we can all get ideas together. In the meantime, I'll leave you a list of the ingredients and amounts I use to prepare it. Very quick and easy. This way you can take note and make it at home easily. If you want more, YouTube says you love the video of this little frame, hit subscribe and enjoy it.